Hello, this is Krishna Rao. Today we are visiting a place in Andhra Pradesh where Brahmam Garu wrote Kaalajnaanam in past in a cave. This place is very close to Banaganapalli, just 4 kilometers away from it. To reach this place, first one should reach Nandyal, either by road or train. From there, reach Banaganapalli, 36 kilometers by road. And then, hire an auto to visit Chintamanu, Nilmatham and the cave where sage Brahmam scripted Kaalajnaanam. The auto people charge about 300 rupees. Swami has taken care of cows in Achmamba's house, where he got shelter during his pilgrimage. Every day, he takes the cows to the nearby forests, allowing them to graze freely. During that time, he draws a circle around the cows. Surprisingly, all the cows graze within the circle drawing. No cow tries even go out of the circle. Then, Swami goes to the cave nearby and wrote the scriptures about the predictions of unseen happenings. After writing Kaalajnaanam, he buried himself all the scriptures in the house of Achmamba under a tamarind tree. Now, this place was converted into a museum. After visiting this place, we moved to the cave, where Swami spent most of his time of work. The way is very dusty, full of rocks and uneven road. Construction of roads are under process. Nearby the cave, we see Swami's temple. On the way to cave, we see the quotes rendered by Swami in his scriptures about life and its value. Cost of the ticket to enter the cave is 5 rupees. As we see, the mouth of the entry of the cave is very narrow. Only one at a time can go in and come out. It is my advice, the people of older age, asthma people, not to venture this area. Inside the cave, we see Swami's meditation place, bathing place. From here, there are under passages to reach holy places like Yaganti, Srishalam, Ahobilam. Though inside the cave is slippery, visiting such places gives us immense pleasure. This the place, near the cave, where Swami reared the cows. Next time, I will take you to another place where we learn more about our pride India. Until then, bye bye, your Chennuru Krishna Rao.